Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove phone number from TikTok. Unfortunately, you cannot remove your phone number from TikTok permanently as there is no direct option available in the app. However, you can change or update the phone number with a new number from app setting. First step is open your TikTok app in your mobile and log into your profile. Go to your profile by clicking on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then select the Manage My Account inside the Account section. Next, tap on the phone number option is the first option and then tap Change Phone and tap Use Phone Number. Before you change the phone number, you need to verify your current number. Just tap and Send Code button. Enter 4-digit code, send to your phone number and verify it. After that, type a new number and tap on Submit button. Click on Send Code or OTP and verify new number. That's it. Your phone number successfully removed from TikTok account.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.